job seeker or a candidate do to build a strong network without what steps can they take to request referrals without feeling hey, I am kind of being pushy, or I don't feel comfortable doing this. What should we do?
I love the fact that you're inside the mindset of the job seeker because you just mentioned two things that really prevent people from moving forward in a networking strategy. They often think, well, networking is kind of pushy, or I'm not comfortable asking other people to do something for me, going with my hat in my hand to ask for a charity. So I think one of the first things to think about is just other people do want to help you. So it's not really being pushy or charity depending on the way you approach it. So the first